It's race day. Here they are. Today's Victoria's POV Saturday here in San Felipe, and we're ready.
Hello.
Hey, can I have something here?
Patrick, it's my POV.
Bye, Victoria's POV. Have fun out there. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and make sure Chuck doesn't do anything crazy either. Hey, Chuck, the truck needs us down all fours. Don't go too fast out there.
All right, we got Chuck in the driver's seat today. And
Yeah, go Chuck.
It's not really the driver's seat I like, but we're gonna take it today because we're getting Patrick to the finish line today. That's our goal, is to get to the finish line.
11:32. They took off about 20 minutes ago, so they're cruising. That's all we can hope for. Keep it cruising. Patrick's doing well.
POG was too far, he says. So what do we saw?
Where are we at, Chuck?
We are at race mile 140, trying to find our pits. Our whole pit crew will be here. This is where we're gonna come in and get some gas, a couple tires, maybe the guys get some water or something to drink, get them hydrated again, and they're back on. And that whole pit should only take about 32 seconds to get 2 tires and 100 gallons of fuel.
All right, POV. About 6 trucks have gone by. We're at mile 140, so the pit stop. And this is the first Brenthal truck coming through. So it's gonna be zit, 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 zit.
We are at race mile 140. We're doing our first pit that everybody in the whole team gets. So you're gonna watch now and see how we get 2 tires and 100 gallons of fuel, like that.
So one of the Brenthal trucks that's coming in, they have 2 flats in the canyon still, so they're running on 2 flat tires, and they're trying to get them over here. They're like less than 3 miles. They're less than 2 miles away.
Let's go, baby.
What's happening now?
We're still at 140. We're doing another truck that comes in, getting ready to pull him in, do 2 tires and 100 gallons of gas. Man, he had a flat out there, so we're gonna make sure we give him another spare. So he's going out with 2 spare tires and 2 new tires on the truck and 100 gallons of fuel. Leaving the pit. Come on, Pablo, let's go.
Hey,
where are we off to next?
Hey, Patrick, let's see if you can catch it on the finish line. That guy's fast.
No, he's fast.
Oh, yeah.
Fastest.
He's doing a really good job, Patrick. I'm ready.
Everybody's impressed. Doing a really good job. And I don't think we're going to the finish line right now. I think we're going to the next stop. Whew. Colin has it good up in the helicopter, but this is where the action's at, baby. You only have 20 miles left, so you got this. Finish! You made it! You're here, honey. I'm talking to Luke. You made it!
Yeah!
Finish? Got it.
I lost my water bag for the first half. so I wasn't drinking water.
We heard you.
And then I chugged that fucking whole thing of water at the thing, and I threw it all up instantly.
I put electrolytes
Yeah,
in
I threw it all up instantly. It was fucking hot out, dude. Like,
Honey, you made
I was
it.
like,
We were
Drew's like,
watching.
you gotta keep talking, bro. What?
Couldn't get your visor up, eh?
Nope.
I know, I saw it.
The whole inside of my visor is just covered in puke. Couldn't even see out of it. Couldn't fucking open it. I'm gonna fucking light the thing on fire tonight. We'll laugh about it later. I threw up 3 times in the fucking helmet and I couldn't get the thing open. Just fucking throw up. So every time, after a while, the throat started smelling again. Drew's like, he's like, keep talking to me, man, keep talking to me. I'm so happy we finished it. Just so I can say all those fuckers. Like, we finished it and we were going, dude, the last 100 miles, I couldn't even fucking breathe. I was like, yeah.
You made it, Drew.
Yeah, they're still starting. It was hot as fuck out there.
That was a hell of a ride, chat. Hell of a ride. Just happy that I didn't quit. Honestly. The moral of the story is I would have been a lot more upset if I would have quit than just getting it through it. I wanted to. I was like fully like, couldn't keep my eyes open, puking, dry heaving. It sucked. But we fucking made it. How do I feel about finishing the race? It felt like I just went through hell and back. That was hot out there. Insane. The good thing the lucky thing today is I had a really good co-driver. He got me to the end. He kept pushing me, kept telling me to just keep going, even though we weren't going the speed we wanted. We just kept moving forward, and we actually passed a lot of trucks on the way. So it just shows that you gotta just keep going. Don't give up. Now that we did this, we gotta kind of figure out what we need to do to get some better results. Well, I think we'll keep on tuning the truck and keep on going, keep on pushing.
A mi equipo, a mi familia, a todos mis amigos, somos un equipo chico, pero que le echamos.
That was a wild ride. I don't care what anyone says. There is no tougher race than the race that sport was on.
Absolutely. You have to hold your hand and get you through it and you get it done.
Come here, Jeff. We're ready. Shout out to Pablo over there, my guy. Let's go.
Good job, Patrick. Good stuff, man.